In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams using a meeting code. Whether it's an important business meeting or a casual catch-up with friends, knowing how to use a meeting ID and passcode will make joining seamless and stress-free. First, open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or access Teams through a web browser. If you haven't already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your login credentials. Signing in ensures that you have access to all your scheduled meetings and the right permissions to participate. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Teams interface with chats, meetings, and other collaboration options displayed clearly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time using Teams. Next, locate the Meet button, which is central to connecting with colleagues or friends. Click on it to reveal several options. The one we're interested in is Join with a Meeting ID. This feature is perfect if you don't have a direct invite link but have received a meeting ID from the organizer. After selecting Join with a Meeting ID, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID provided to you. This unique code is essentially your entry ticket into the virtual meeting room, so be careful when typing it in. Once the ID is entered, click Next or press Enter to proceed. The next step may require you to enter a passcode. Some meetings include this extra layer of security. To ensure only authorized participants can join, type in the passcode exactly as provided, paying attention to capitalization or special characters to avoid any issues. With both the meeting ID and passcode entered correctly, the Join Meeting button will become active. Click it, and Teams will connect you to the meeting. Once inside, take a moment to check your audio and video settings. Ensure your microphone, speakers, and camera are working properly so you can participate fully and comfortably. In summary, joining a Microsoft Teams meeting with a code is straightforward if you follow these steps. From signing in to entering the meeting ID and passcode, each step ensures smooth access to your meeting without delays. With these instructions, you'll be able to connect efficiently and confidently to any meeting, keeping you productive and engaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay connected and make the most of Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.